Hold up. It's Dougie Boy, man. Get it how you live. Let it go. Ever since I hit that 9th grade, I've been killing these beats. I knew I had to keep going. Keep my weed in my switcher with my mind straight flowing. Every song that I drop, that shit so golden. 4 years went by, a nigga still on it. Now I got my own shit. I'm up early in the morning, roll on a damn sweet, inhale, exhale. If I die trying to get it, boy, fuck it, oh well. My time is close, why I feel it is coming. I'm going so crazy, I'm trucking, I'm bucking, ain't cuffing no bitch. They be talking about nothing. I don't watch movies, bitch, and I am not bluffing. I stay on the mic, talking every night. If you throwing the ball, then Dougie will not strike. I've been out here a while, getting used to this shit. These people talking about, boy, where have you been? Knowing back then, boy, they didn't know me. They see that I kill it, I murdered the beat, boy. I've been so discreet, I'm staying to myself. I don't know who is real, and that's been how I felt. All these people changing, you gotta be careful. Respect all your elders, but I do not care too, man. Show some respect just to get some respect, boy. I ain't forgot all the shit that you said. And that's real, that's real, that's real. All these rough times made me who I am, though. Yeah. I still really don't understand how they be talking innocent, but freaking on the damn low. Yeah. Like, bitch, really? Who is it fooling? It's a small town, they know what you doing. Nothing is secret, and that's what I hate. I better hear some more drama happen today. Oh, what happened today? I do not care, you can get out my face. Cause this bitch is hearing what that bitch is hearing, and that bitch is hearing what this bitch is hearing. Oh Lord, stop with all the nonsense. You won't hear my name caught up in the gossip. My circle small, only fucks with a few, and you can back up if you loving the crew. Don't think we ain't heard all the shit you been doing. These bitches dirty, need dusting and brooming. Man, it's the shame, but the truth, and you know. So do not ask me, Dougie, what is you want? The way that I see it, the way that I tell it. If you feel some type of way, fuck it, oh well shit. I'm not here to please or go back to my knees. Simply here to deliver, I'm chasing my dreams. And that's real, that's real, that's real. All these rough times made me who I am, though. Yeah. I still really don't understand how they be talking innocent, but freaking on the damn low. Yeah. Like, bitch, really? Who is it fooling? It's a small town, they know what you doing. Nothing is secret, and that's what I hate. I better hear some more drama happen today. Man, what they know about me? Tall nigga tattoos, ball like Kobe, with words that can shake you, boy, it makes this bitch rattle. I hate snitches, all they do is try to put niggas in cells and away from the kids. Boy, you better be careful, you risking your shit. They'll catch you on the block posted one day, then ooh, sorry, Charlie, it's the price that you pay for sneaking in the grass. Karma gon' come around and straight bite that ass. I don't really worry about it, I just do my thing. Shout out my nigga Lance, still stuck a Mustang. And all my niggas out of Cali, all they know is bang. Been fucking with them since way back in the day. I do it for my town, all my people, etc. Don't sleep on a nigga, boy, I'm about to get better, bruh. And that's real, that's real, that's real. All these rough times made me who I am, though. Yeah. I still really don't understand how they be talking innocent, but freaking on the damn low. Yeah. Like, bitch, really? Who is it fooling? It's a small town, they know what you doing. Nothing is secret, and that's what I hate. I better hear some more drama happen today. Hey, we gone.